I do heard so much about it. I finally got it. Let's see.
It come with very nice applicator. Like, you just have to put little drop, that's it. I mean, yeah, if you want to go wild, you can do it, apply more, but I just want to do just the trial, so I did just a little bit, but I still got the coverage that I was looking for. It was pretty good. I really like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with friends and family. Let me know, will you try it? Drop a comment. Keep watching.
Should I try it on my lip? What do you think? Let's try.
I was not sure how does it will look on my lip, because as you know, my natural lips is already very dark, but I kinda like it. It does give me a little tint on my lips, so it was look good for a daily basis routine. So definitely recommended this product. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.